Hey you guys, it's your girl Keyanatalented, and today I'll be showing you how I achieved this half up, half down hairstyle with front bangs. I don't really know what to call this hairstyle like as a whole, but it was super cute, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I got it. First thing I went in and did was I slicked back my edges, and then I applied 2 wig caps. I like to use 2 because I'm extra and it's just what I like to do. But I just applied some wig caps because I am actually using a frontal wig to achieve this hairstyle. So before installing my wig, I'm going to go in with some alcohol and a cotton pad and just clean the front of my hairline so that, you know, my wig can lay flawlessly and I don't have any troubles with my install. And then right here, your girl is just lining up the wig to her hairline just to make sure that, you know, it's going to lay properly and I don't have any problems when it goes to, like, you know, laying it down with the glue. Because, baby, if you don't lay it down the right way, everything is just going to be off. And we don't want nothing to be off, because if it's off, we ain't going to look cute. And, baby, we got to look cute, okay? So the products I'm using to actually install this wig is the Got2b gel in the black tube, and then my Got2b freeze spray. And I pretty much just, you know, add a thin layer of Got2b gel, take my blow dryer to help speed up the drying process, then I add another layer of Got2b gel, a thin layer, and then I take my Got2b freeze spray and add that in. And this just gives me like the best laying of my install. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but this just helps, you know, my wig lay a lot flatter and it doesn't move anywhere, you know. And this could last me, because I change my hair so much, this could last me up to a week, you know, without having to touch it up. But like, I feel like if I like didn't change my hair so much, it would definitely last me a little bit longer than just a week. So yeah, this is just the method, and this is what I do to, you know, get my frontal wigs to lay and just look nice. So yeah, I was struggling to get some lip gloss onto my lips because my lips started to feel so dry, and I'm like, oh yeah. But I didn't want to stop blow drying my hair. So, you know, I was multitasking up in this thing, okay? And just a tip for you guys, because some people don't know, but if you apply your frontal in sections, it makes it so much easier to, you know, do your install. So that's pretty much what I'm doing, what you guys see me doing. So I did the front of my hairline first, and then I just move on to, you know, either side of my head. And doing it this way just allows your frontal to just be so flawless. I'm telling y'all, trust me. I used to be so terrible at laying frontals, but now your girl is, you know, I don't want to say I'm a pro, because, you know, it's still things I'm working on and things I want to get better at. But these changes that I've made to, you know, and doing my installs have definitely helped your girl so freaking much. Now, to get this thing to look even more like a scalp and just to blend so well with my, you know, with my skin, I take an elastic band and I use that as like my hair tie. And honey, when I tell y'all the melt is serious, lace wear, baby. I'm telling y'all, use an elastic band to get y'all lace enclosures to melt. It'll change your life, okay? So now I am on to the styling portion. So I'm just taking my hot comb and just flattening out the top of, you know, the top of my hair, and just flattening out everything and getting my hair to go in the direction that I want it to. So as you guys know, I am cutting bangs, so I pretty much just have this part of my hair sectioned out. I wanted my bangs to be on the fuller side. I didn't really want them to be thin. So if you guys feel like my bangs were thick, that's just how you feel. But to me, these bangs were popping. It was everything that your girl wanted. So yeah, I just cut my bangs. I don't really know how to explain how I cut them. I kind of just cut them. Like, I brought the hair forward, and then, you know, I did a little twisty twist loop thing, and then I just cut the bangs with the scissors. And I cut it at the bridge of my nose because I didn't want my eyes to be covered, but I didn't want my eyebrows to show. So yeah, that's what your girl did, just cut the bangs. So I just finished straightening out my bangs, and then I noticed that they were a little bit too blunt at the bottom. So I just took my scissors and I went in and point cut it to give it more of a wispier type of look, shall I say. And I just wanted to take a lot of that weight that was at the bottom of my bangs away, because I really didn't want it to be too blunt, you know. So I went in and point cut it. If you guys don't know what point cutting is, it's basically what I'm doing. I'm just cutting at a point so that it doesn't look so blunt. And I learned that technique in beauty school. If you guys did not know, because I don't know if you guys know, but I am a licensed cosmetologist, okay, boo-boo? So, like, this beauty thing, you know, your girl got going on, this is the real deal, you feel me? I does this, okay? Anyways, now I'm about to move on to the ponytail part of this hairstyle. Now, I didn't necessarily want this to be, like, you know, perfect and, like, just every piece of hair is just, you know, tacked down. I wanted it to be like natural type of look, you know, a natural feel, you feel me? So my ponytail really was like, it was not all that. As you guys see, I actually went in and just did this one ponytail. Like, I didn't take it down and do it again, and it was just so cute, you know. It's just cute being not perfect, you feel me? So yeah, now that I have my little ponytail going on, I'm going to take a piece of hair from the ponytail and wrap it around my hair tie so that you guys can't see the hair tie and that it looks a little bit more natural. It's coming up in a second, I think. Maybe. Finally, right here. So I'm pretty much taking a piece of hair from the actual ponytail and I'm just wrapping it around my little ponytail holder so that you can't see it, so that it just gives this ponytail a nice little natural, cute, slick vibe, you feel me? And I just took my Got To Be Free spray just to keep the piece of hair in place, and then I blow dried it on cold air, and yeah, that's what your girl did. Then I just went in with my flat iron and I just straightened out this hair so that it could look, you know, a little bit more sleek and styled. So yeah, that's what your girl about to do. If you guys are still watching this video, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your time. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed to your girl, and also give this video a thumbs up if you have forgot to, because you know sometimes you just be watching a video, you don't be thinking about hitting that like button and that subscribe button. But I'm here to remind you. I got you, boo. So make sure you guys do that. I'm just adding a little bit of my foundation powder to my hairline just to make it blend a little bit more, because I just felt like on that side it just, you know, wasn't blending too well. So here is the finished hairstyle, y'all. Is y'all feeling it? Is y'all feeling it? Like, do y'all like it? Do y'all like key with bangs? Is y'all feeling me with bangs? It's like bangs my new thing now. Like, should I just do every hairstyle with bangs? Cause baby girl, my 5 head is gone. No, but seriously, I really love how this hairstyle turned out on your girl. Like, I straight did that. Like, period. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Y'all see that movement? Y'all see that body? No, but seriously, I love how this hairstyle turned out. It was super easy to do. Actually, a lot easier than I thought. I'm so happy I didn't mess up with the cut. Because, you know, when you cut in your own bangs, it can either go the right way or the wrong way. And in this case, it went the right way, baby. So I am super happy and super, you know, in love with how it turned out. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give your girl a thumbs up. If you guys like how this looks on your girl, like if you feeling this look, give your girl a thumbs up and let me know down in the comment section below. And if you've watched this far into the video, and you have not subscribed to my channel, what you doing? I know this not your first time, you know, watching one of my videos, because, you know, I be looking at my analytics, you feel me? And they are telling me that you have watched my videos before, but you haven't subscribed. So I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any more of my videos. Also, turn on your post notifications because it is right next to the subscribe button, so you know you get a 2-for-1. So if you turn on your post notifications, you're gonna get notified and reminders of when your girl's dropping a video. And I want y'all to come back, okay? I know you enjoying this face. I know you enjoying this energy. So keep me in your life and subscribe. And that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.